Welcome. In this video, I will show you what to do if the microphone isn't working or isn't working correctly on your Motorola Razr Fold smartphone. First of all, turn off your device and try physically inspecting your device's microphones. So they are located at the bottom right here. You'll be able to see two tiny holes to the left from your USB-C charging port. You can only clean them using a soft brush. So just use a flashlight of another smartphone or just a standalone flashlight to check whether there is some debris that could have got stuck there. And if you can see something, then use a soft brush to clean them. Make sure to not use any metallic tools to clean them. And then test your voice in the voice recorder. Open the voice recorder, start recording your voice. Give your voice recorder all the permissions, and then just check whether you see the sound waves appearing on your screen while you're speaking to your device's microphone. This should be enough. You don't even have to check it. Now also try increasing your volume a little and make sure that you don't have the silent mode enabled. If you do, switch it to the regular ringing mode. Now also make sure that you don't have do not disturb mode enabled in the quick settings menu. And try restarting your device into the safe mode, which you can do by pressing power button and volume up key at the same time, holding your finger down on power off option, and selecting OK to restart your device into the safe mode. Once you open up the safe mode, go back to the sound recorder and try recording another sample. And if your microphone started working just now, then most probably some either application or just third-party background process is interfering with your device's microphone somehow. So you're gonna have to look out for any suspicious applications that you might find on your smartphone and delete them completely from them. Now, otherwise, if your microphone still isn't working, restart your device back into the normal mode using regular restarting process. Now, what we can still do is go to settings and open system settings right here. Then go to reset options. Now here, try resetting mobile network settings. And if this doesn't help you, you can also try resetting Bluetooth and Wi-Fi settings. If this doesn't help you as well, try resetting device settings. And after that, your microphone should start working normally again. But if not, you definitely should reach out to Motorola customer support service and notify them about this issue, and most probably send your smartphone to the certified repair center to get it repaired. And that's it for this video. Thank you for watching it. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.